SEO 101. When should you hire an SEO expert? According to Google, if you're thinking about hiring an SEO expert, the earlier the better. If you're considering a site redesign, planning the launch of a new site, those are great times because then you can make sure that your site is designed for search engines from the bottom up. But Google also says that you should have an SEO expert working on your site on a consistent basis as well. This person's going to make sure that your site is as visible as possible and ranking as high as possible in search engines. No matter what agency you select, these are some of the things they'll be able to help you with. Review of your site's content and structure. Technical advice on website development. For example, hosting, redirect, error pages, JavaScript that can't get picked up, etc. Content development, a really big part of search engine optimization. Keyword research, SEO training, expertise in specific markets and geographies. In general, if you hire an SEO expert, they're going to be focused on the quality of the backlinks to your website, how great your content is it fully optimized for specific keywords, and is your website technically correct? Through this, over time, if they've got the right system, you're going to consistently rank higher and higher and drive more business from Google. Before you hire an SEO expert, it's a great idea to check out 3 resources: How Google Crawls, Indexes, and Serves the Web, Search Essentials, these are both 2 guides from Google, and then the How to Hire an SEO guide. I also recommend you check out the Google Quality Rater guidelines. Good luck hiring an SEO expert, and make sure to check out Ignite Visibility. See you next time. Goodbye.